about money because we've been learning about math in real life, and what's more real life than money? We use money every single day, whether we use cash, we use debit, or we use credit, which is another kind of thing we'll talk about another time. In Canada, we have beautiful colored bills, and we have coins. In the bills, we have a $100 bill, which is brown, and I don't have one. We have a $50 bill, a $20 bill, a $10 bill, and a $5 bill. But do we have a $2 bill? No, we don't. We have a $2 coin called a toonie. And on the toonie is a polar bear. We have a dollar coin as well called a loonie, and on the dollar coin is a loon. On a quarter is a caribou. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Our next biggest coin is a dime, and on our dime is the Blue Nose ship, famous for being created in Halifax and being a famous schooner. On our nickel, which is worth 5 cents, is a beaver.
There are 4 quarters in a dollar: 25, 50, 75, 100.
There are 10 dimes in a dollar because 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 cents makes a dollar. And there are 20 nickels in a dollar because 20 times 5 is 100, and 100 cents equals $1.
Hello, excuse me, sir. I would like to get some goalie equipment. Please, this way. How about these goalie pads? They seem to fit you. Yeah, they look great. How much are they? Let me just see here.
That comes to $48.35. There are lots of ways to make $48.35. In the least amount of bills and coins possible, you could use 2 20s to make $40, then add a 5 to make $45. Then I'd switch to coins. I'd use a toonie to make $47. Another loonie makes it $48. Now I've gotten all my dollars, I need to switch to cents. 25 cents plus 10 cents is 35 cents. So $48.35. But that isn't the only way you can make $48.35. You could start with a 20 and then try adding a 10. That would equal 30. I like to start with the biggest bills, then 35, 40, and 45. I've got as close as I can come with bills now. I need to switch to coins. If I add a toonie, that's 45 plus 2 is 47, plus another dollar, 48, and my coins for the cents, 35 cents. But this time I'm making it with 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30, and a nickel, 35. There are so many ways you can make $48.35. Just try substituting one bill for something else that equals that amount. For example, we can use 5s instead of 10s and 20s. So start with a 20 and add a 5 to equal 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I'm up to $45. Start with 20 and count on by 5s. Now I'm at $47 by adding that toonie. I can add 4 quarters to equal $1. So that brings me up to $48. Now I need 35 cents. I can do a quarter and a dime, and that equals 35 cents. So trading out money for different bills or coins doesn't change the amount of money that you have. For example, if I have a $50 bill, it's the same as having 2 20s and a 10, because 20 plus 20 is 40, and plus the 10 is 50. It doesn't matter that this has actually more bills in it. It's actually the same amount of money. Just like a $10 bill would be the same as 5 plus 5. Doesn't matter that there are 2 bills, it's the same amount of money. A $5 bill can be traded out for 2 toonies and a loonie because 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5, or 5 loonies, or a lot of nickels. Look at the pictures on the next slide and see if you can figure out how you could make one of them using bills or coins. There are lots of different ways you could do it. Take note too that $79.99 is actually only 1 penny less than $80. So that is basically $80 if we round up. Often stores like to end in 99 because it makes it seem like it's cheaper. Just a little marketing tip. Have a great week. Have fun. I hope you learned some stuff, and we'll talk to you soon.